if we pass away, does our estate have to pay taxes? Well, let's get into that. So there are some exemptions, and it's a bouncing ball. They move all over the place depending upon the year. So right now, 2021, our exemption is 11.7 million, and that's per person. If you're married, you can double up on that. And right now, it's indexed for inflation. Year before, it was 11.58, but let's go back a few years. In 2017, it was a little over 5 million. And 2009, it was 3.5 million. I remember when I started, Joe, it was 600,000. 600,000 only. And then anything above that would be taxed at the estate tax rate. And that's been bouncing all over the place too, but currently it's 40%.
So the estate tax exemption, all that means is that you can pass up to almost $12 million of wealth to the next generation without a death tax, without an estate tax. However, if it's IRA dollars, 401k dollars, there's still income tax associated with it. But if you have an estate higher than these thresholds, you could pay both. You could pay an estate tax, plus the kids will have to pay income tax. But right now, for a married couple, it's a huge dollar figure. It's 22, 23, 24 million dollars, you know? So the estate tax, we're not overly concerned. But if that goes back down to 3,600,000, I think when I started, it was 680,000.
680, okay.
But it was 600,000, or like between 600 and 700,000 for like 30 years, wasn't it?
Yeah, for years and years. So just be aware of this. And so right now, currently, the Biden administration is talking about reducing these exemptions back down to the 2017 limit, or maybe even the 2009 limit. So here's a strategy. Maybe you're one of the few fortunate ones that has net worths above these amounts. You can actually gift amounts to your beneficiaries before you pass, get them out of your estate, and let's say the estate tax exemption does go down. The IRS, at least to this point, has said they're not going to claw back those gifts, that they will remain outside of your estate, not subject to estate taxes. So anyway, just be aware of that. We don't know whether this is going to happen or not. It was just discussed in the campaign trail with Biden, so we got to see. And Joe, I will say there are other advanced estate planning techniques that you can do with family limited partnerships.
There it is.
Yes.
QPERT. You want to talk about the QPERT?
Yeah, the QPERT.
Start now. Start with this. This is our estate plan organizer. We're not attorneys by any stretch of the imagination. Big Al's a CPA and I'm a CFP. But we can help you at least get started in the process in regards to your estate plan. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com, click on that special offer, start the process today with our estate plan organizer. It is not an estate plan, it's an organizer to get your estate planning in order.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.